is in the process of creating an awareness regarding agriculture, and ZAO falls a bit far away from my actual office. ZAO falls in Mormugao Taluka, and sometimes what happens, it is very difficult for the farmers to reach to Mormugao in time. And we thought of having it in ZAO just to create an awareness and bring the schemes of the department to their doorstep, because here in the panchayat everybody gets an access. On the request of the Sarpanch and my diner and ZAO Pani Tenant Association President of Proposing, we have come here to create an awareness. We have already told them, informed them about the various schemes in which they can take benefit. We also informed them the minimum area required to have a Krishi card, because without the Krishi card it is not possible to take benefit of the scheme. And the good news is that a new office for ZAO Mormugao will be starting from Konkani. Earlier, Mormugao Taluka were handled by our office in Sunset. So once the new office will be set up, I promise them we will be having regular camps. I have also promised them every week or at least once in 15 days we will be sending one of the staff to the panchayat